Hey guys, welcome back to Global Motors Arena. Mazda North American Operations introduced the first ever 2024 Mazda CX-90. Built on Mazda's all-new large platform, the three-row crossover represents the company's new flagship vehicle with wider, longer, and more aggressive proportions that perfectly blend its high-performance appearance with world-class refinement. Mazda CX-90 is available with all new electrified powertrains, including an inline 6-turbo and a plug-in hybrid, that offer drivers enhanced performance and efficiency. At Mazda, our focus is to deliver an ownership experience that enriches the lives of our customers. With each new vehicle launch, we challenge ourselves to progress through our human-centric approach of design and engineering, said Jeff Guyton, President and CEO of Mazda North American Operations. CX-90 offers powerful and responsive performance, alluring design, and intuitive technology. We're very proud of our team's work on CX-90, which we know is a breakthrough vehicle in its segment. As with all Mazda vehicles, CX-90 is designed with the driver in mind. With seating for up to 8 passengers, CX-90 can accommodate families and friends in all 3 rows. Cabin space, cargo capacity, safety features, and many amenities are optimized for their needs. Mazda CX-90 is built on an all-new large platform that features a front-engine, rear-wheel bias longitudinal layout to elevate Mazda's signature driving performance. CX-90 is equipped with kinematic posture control, which first debuted on the MX-5 Miata, a software feature that suppresses body lift on tight corners to enhance the grip and allows all occupants to maintain a natural posture. Focus was put toward optimizing rigidity across the entire vehicle body, while meticulously designing the seats and suspension to provide better balance, control, and confidence in a range of driving situations. With these thoughtful developments, along with standard i-Active all-wheel drive, drivers can enjoy the full potential of the available high-output powertrains. Mazda CX-90 is available with an all-new eSkyActiv G3.3L inline 6-turbo engine, which has the highest horsepower and torque from a mass-production gasoline engine developed by Mazda, with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque when using the recommended premium fuel. This engine also is equipped with M-Hybrid Boost, a mild hybrid system to provide efficiency without compromising on its remarkable performance. The electric motor is placed between the engine and transmission, creating a smooth acceleration from a standstill, and allowing the motor to directly power CX-90 at low speed. This engaging powertrain provides the CX-90 with an upscale feeling, a smooth driving experience, engaging sound, and efficiency. The new eSkyActiv PHEV powertrain, tuned specifically for the North American market, exhibits responsiveness and acceleration that aligns to driver expectations. An impressive 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, when using the recommended premium fuel, provide customers with the best of both worlds in terms of performance and efficiency. The PHEV is designed to operate purely on the electric motor in a variety of driving scenarios. To provide owners with flexibility and peace of mind, Mazda's 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, with a tuned intake to improve torque, has been adapted to work alongside the electric motor and 17.8 kWh high-capacity battery. This is helpful for longer drives like road trips, or when the driver requires maximum acceleration, such as merging onto the freeway. All CX-90 powertrains are paired with an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission, specifically designed for the electrified longitudinal powertrains and large platform vehicles. The multi-speed automatic gearbox, without a torque converter, achieves smooth and direct acceleration while improving drivetrain efficiency. Mazda CX-90 features thoughtful proportions that perfectly blend its high-performance appearance with world-class refinement, while providing a well-crafted interior with increased cabin space for families and ample cargo space to accommodate needs for any lifestyle. The large platform allows for a wider body and fenders and longer wheelbase, accentuating Mazda CX-90's strong stance and further emphasizes its sense of performance. The body is designed to be sleek with crafted curves that give the CX-90 ever-changing expressions created by the reflections of lights and shadows. Available chrome garnishes on the lower bumpers emphasizes its width and timeless styling, while new, available 21-inch diamond cut wheels featuring a black metallic finish complement CX-90's powerful presence. Also being introduced with CX-90 is Mazda's latest Takumanuri color, Artisan Red. This available paint option has been developed specifically to suit the CX-90 and provides a sophisticated, yet deeply saturated color to the vehicle's blend of performance and refinement. Mazda CX-90's dignified design continues into the cabin with an interior that gives an expansive impression from the dashboard through the positioning of the vents and chrome trim extending to the doors for a modern, linear appearance. Inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics, a luxurious and comfortable feel is experienced in all three rows. From the front seats to the available captain's chairs, and into the third row, there are multiple materials, such as nappa leather, wood, and tone-on-tone fabrics that all come together harmoniously. One example is the distinctive fabric on the dash connected using hanging stitches, which is specifically inspired by hand bookbinding and an intricate Japanese weaving technique known as kumihimo. This method deliberately uses negative space to create a unique design for Mazda CX-90 that echoes to its Japanese lineage. Complementing the refined interior, the Mazda CX-90 includes many new, advanced technologies and amenities that elevate the driving experience, while also providing premium comfort and convenience for all occupants. This includes available third-row USB-C charging ports, air conditioning vents, and upgraded interior lighting, among many more features. As with all Mazda vehicles, CX-90 seeks to maintain the same top safety recognition as Mazda's other products with many standard active sense safety features, such as smart brake support, blind spot monitoring, Mazda radar cruise control, and other new features that will help enhance the confident experience for all occupants. Mazda CX-90 also features larger displays, accompanied by physical buttons that complement the interior styling. New Mazda technologies, such as an available see-through view monitor, are meant to assist in a variety of parking situations through the 12.3 inches center display. These thoughtful conveniences provide the driver a seamless experience with the technology and comfort CX-90 offers, while helping the driver feel in control of the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.